Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to resize your nose on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut apps and add the photo or the video that you want to edit. But in here, I just want to add the photo, so you just click on your picture. And after this, in here, if you wanna resize your nose, it's so pretty simple. So you just click on the clip, and then in here at the menu you can swipe until you can see and change. Sorry, this one and change. You can click on it, and after this, in here you just click on the face, and then now you can click on the nose. And then in here you can swipe this icon to left or right for like this. This is a before, this is the after, this is before, this is the after. So you can resize your nose like this or like this. And after this, you can click on the check icon at the bottom and finish. So that's how to resize your nose on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.